Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify is currently set to offline. So guys, when you have opened your Spotify and want to play any song and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings on your Android or iPhone, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect with Wi-Fi, and guys if not have Wi-Fi, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data. And after doing this you need to go back and scroll it down and find here app management, and simply you need to click on app list and search here Spotify. So guys, as you can see here, I am going to search Spotify, and after searching it you need to click on storage and cache, and you need to click on clear cache, and after doing this you need to go back and you need to open your Play Store here, and here you need to search Spotify, and guys you need to open it, and guys you need to update your app if not updated, and after doing this you need to go back. So guys, if still not fix your problem, so guys maybe there is network problem, you need to open your settings. To fix your network problem, scroll it down, click on system and click on reset phone, and you need to click on reset Wi-Fi settings, and you need to reset all the settings include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.